Teresa, what day is today?
I don't understand.
What does today mean?
Today means this day. Today is Friday. Teresa, what day is today?
Today is Friday.
Sam, what is the date today?
What does date mean?
Date means month, number, and year.
Oh, the date is November 14th, 2003.
That's right. Today is Friday, November 14th. Today. Today. Today at night is called tonight. Tonight. Isabel, what day was yesterday?
Please repeat that, Mr. Tandy.
What day was yesterday?
What does yesterday mean?
Yesterday means the day before today. Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th. Yesterday. Teresa, what day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Teresa, what day will tomorrow be?
Tomorrow will be Saturday, November 15th.
On your calendar, what day was yesterday?
What day will tomorrow be?
This is a month. Month. This is a week. Week. This month is November. This month is November. This month, last month, next month. Yes, Pierre?
Last month was October.
That is right. Last month was October. Teresa, what will next month be?
Next month will be December.
Good. Next month will be December. Yes, Sam.
This month is November.
This month, last month, next month.
This week, last week, next week.
Great, Isabel. This week, Pierre comes to school. Last week, Pierre arrived in the United States. Next week, I will teach you about food. Last night, Sam watched TV. Last night. 2 days ago was Wednesday, November 12th. 2 days ago. 4 days ago was Monday, November 10th. 4 days ago. The time is 9:15. 10 minutes ago, it was 9:05. 1 hour ago, It was 8:15.
2 years ago was the year 2001.
2 months ago was September.
2 hours and 15 minutes ago, it was 7 o'clock.
In 2 days, it will be Sunday. In 15 minutes, it will be 9:30. In 3 years, it will be the year 2006. In 2 months, it will be January.
In 3 months, it will be February.
Monday. Sunday is before Monday. Before. Tuesday is after Monday. After. May is before June. Before. July is after June. After.
I go home after school.
I eat breakfast before school.
I do my homework after dinner.
I arrive at school before 8 o'clock. Now it's 9:20 a.m. Now we are in the classroom. Before school, I was at home. After school, I will be at home. Now I am in the classroom. Now.
Sam, you're early.
No, I'm Sam.
No, Sam, you are early for class.
What does early mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:10. You're here before 10:15. You're early. Hi, Teresa. You're on time.
What does on time mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:15. You're on time.
I was early. You were on time.
Isabel, you are late.
What does late mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:20. You're arriving after 10:15. You're late. If Mr. Tandy asks you to be here at 10:15, you have to arrive at 10:15 or before 10:15.
Sam was early. I was on time. You are late.
Arriving late is bad. Don't come to class late. Come to class on time.